In this video I'm going to be explaining another really cool wiring mod. This time it's the phase switch. Now what this does is it reverses the direction that the current flows in one of the pickups. So it reverses the ground and the live wires of your pickup. Ordinarily, two pickups would be wired in phase, basically meaning that they work together. If you think of the signal as a wave, when they're in phase, the waves will be in sync and will therefore add together. And so the sound that you hear is the sum of the two pickups. And then when the pickups are wired out of phase, the signals will be working against each other, meaning that any equal and opposite frequencies will be cancelled out, and the sound that you're left with is the difference between the two pickups. This will take out quite a lot of your mids and will leave you with quite a trebly, twangy sound. So all you'll need to do this mod is some sort of DP-DT two-way switch. That can be a standalone switch or as part of a push-pull pot. So once you have your switch, you'll wire it like this. So here the red wire is signifying the hot wire and the black wire is the ground. So you can see that the pickup comes in from the bottom and then the output is on the middle lugs of the switch. And then there are two small jumper wires forming an X shape across the middle. So you can see here what happens in each switch position. The path that the wires take is shown by the dotted line. So in the first one, there's no change to the ground and live wires. They go in and they go straight out. The crossed wires aren't connected to anything, so they're not doing anything at all. So that means the pickup will be wired in phase. In the second one, when the top two sets of lugs are connected, you can see that each wire goes in along the crossed wire and back down to the opposite side, meaning that the ground and live wires are switched and the pickup will be wired out of phase. Now, a phase switch will only work when you have two pickups working at the same time. On its own, a pickup will sound exactly the same whichever direction that the current's flowing in it. So on a Les Paul, you would normally wire the bridge pickup with the phase switch, and you'll only hear the difference when the three-way toggle switch is in the middle position and both pickups are being used. For a Stratocaster style guitar, you would usually wire the middle pickup with the phase switch. That way, when the five-way switch is in positions 2 and 4, you'll be able to hear the effect of having them out of phase. So this is my Les Paul. I've wired this with a phase switch, so I'll play it a little bit both in and out of phase so that you can hear the difference.